Happy St. Patrick's Day. It's a big day for us here at Restore a Muscle Car. We have a bunch of green cars that we are going to have on our website. A bunch of them are on there now. A few more are getting posted. We have some of the rarest of the Super Duty Trans Ams in existence right here in our shop today. 455 4-speed Super Duty with black standard interior. This is a nut and bolt absolute concourse restoration. It's a gold winning car from the McCacken car show out of the Chicago area. Next to it is a 46,000 original mile Survivor automatic Super Duty Brewster Green with the tan interior. And then next to it is another 45,000 original mile, one repaint, one owner Survivor car as well. It's not a Super Duty, but it is a 455 Brewster Green car. And then we have right next to it is an RS Z28 Camaro with the black deluxe cloth inserts, 4-speed car, and it's obviously a green car as well. So we have 2 more Brewster Green cars that are at the shop getting worked on right now. Check out our website, restoreamusclecar.com. You can get your pot of gold by buying one of these cars because these are only going up in value. These are great investment pieces. I've been asked years and years and years for one of these cars, and they're here now.